What is the morphological species concept? Have you ever wondered how scientists define different bird species? One interesting way they do this is through the morphological species concept. This concept focuses on the physical traits of birds to categorize them. In simple terms, it says that members of the same species share similar looks, while different species have distinct appearances. For birds, these physical characteristics can include features like plumage color, beak shape, and body size. When ornithologists study birds, they often rely on these traits to identify species, especially when they cannot observe their mating behaviors. Imagine trying to tell two birds apart just by looking at their beaks or feathers. That is exactly what this concept allows scientists to do. In the realm of bird taxonomy, the morphological species concept is particularly helpful for distinguishing closely related species. For instance, consider a group of finches. They may look alike in some ways but can be identified as different species based on their beak shapes and sizes. Even if their genetic makeup is similar, their physical traits can tell a different story. However, this concept is not without its challenges. It relies heavily on observable traits, which can sometimes be misleading. For example, two birds may have similar physical features but belong to different species due to genetic differences or variations in behavior. This means that relying solely on appearance can lead to misclassification. To get a more accurate understanding of bird species, ornithologists often combine the morphological species concept with other methods. They may look at the biological species concept, which focuses on reproductive isolation, or the phylogenetic species concept, which considers evolutionary history. By using multiple approaches, scientists can better define species beyond just their looks. In summary, the morphological species concept is a practical tool for identifying bird species based on their physical traits. While it has its limitations, combining it with other concepts helps create a clearer picture of bird diversity. Understanding how species are classified is essential for studying bird behavior and ecology, making it a fascinating area of research.